Hello, I'm Chelsea, your 14CS208, and this is my web experiment, in which I have to create a multi-page shopping cart using PSP and super global variables. Super global variables are used to retain values of a form and can transfer them from one page to another. In forms, information can be transmitted from one page to another using super global variables, that is get method, post method, and section method. In get method, the key values are passed in a URL, while in the post method the key value is passed as in a hidden manner. So in my question, first I am creating a division class called banner. It will create a banner image. This refers to the new one.css. So the properties for the banner class is described in the this CSS file. For the banner class, it have a background image this and height of 100 pixel and 10 pixels and height and given. And for the body class and all body class also, its color, weight and font size are also given. And next I'm creating a form and I am using the method called post. In the post method, the information is transferred in a hidden manner. First I am creating a label called a label of checkbox, and then checking which I need t-shirt or hoodie values. Then with the help of radio button, I am checking if I checking the values, and then I am using a select option to select my select the size of select and option field is used. And after that, which color I need, for that I am using the select option and the option, and then when I click the submit, it will direct us to the next page. That is in this page. Here we have to enter all the shipping information. For the shipping information, it uses a section key, so it will get all the type, size, quantity, color and the item which I have given in the first page. It will get all the values from them, and the values will be used here, and we have to enter our shipping information. In this we have to type our name. These are all the required fields, so we can't leave them blank. In this I have to type my name, last name, street address, then text, state, then zip code, phone number, mail ID, and then the shipping ID. Then I have to with the radio button I am choosing whether I have to get express value or the standard value. Then and this is my PHP file. In this I am getting all the values I have specified in the earlier file, and it will direct us to the local servers in a server and in the next file. And in this we are giving the instruction, the script tag for CSS file for the table, that is table's height, width, the heading of the table and all. And here I am using again the section super global variables to get the values which I have submitted in the second page, that is name, address, state, name and thing. And then with all that I am calculating my amount, that is if my item is hoodie, the price is equal to 750, and my total amount will be the quantity into price, and else if then the price will be equal to quantity into 500. And if my shipping is equal to express type, then the amount will be this much, and else the amount will be of this. And in my next page, this is a page, if my order is actually placed, this page will be displayed, and it will This page will use the CSS and CSS style of the size, margin, font size and align, and all this is displayed for this page. And its image percentage is absolute, and I'm using Z-index to display for that, and then I'm using an image, and then my order for if my order is placed. This is my sample output. This I'm selecting body, this and women's, and I'm specifying the quantity. When I submit the query, it will direct me to a details page where I have to type my name, last name, and then address, line 2 and city, city code, phone number, and then I have to give a mail ID. These all are the required fields, and when I type the continue, this is my this, and when the order is confirmed, it will direct to this page. Thank you for watching.